Hi, my name's Sam. I work for Flying Pig Renovation Company. I'm a building site manager here in Bath. We are currently building a swimming pool house which has a basement. Requires a lot of excavation, which would be very awkward if we didn't have the conveyor system. Getting it out through the tight gates that we've got onto the site, nearly impossible. So using the conveyor makes it possible and a lot more efficient. We've used Coveya in the past on a previous project, so when we had this job coming up, we knew that we were familiar with their systems and their setup, and it was the first person we called. We were sent the design for the conveyor system, which we approached the scaffolding company to build and design the scaffold. Coveya then came in, and within a day they had set the system up and it was up and running. So the process that we use is the excavation. The soil will be brought over to the conveyor system. It's unloaded via the dumper, and then when we have a stockpile of spoil, we'll order in the muck away lorry. It then gets loaded up within about 45 minutes for a full load, and away it goes. I'd definitely recommend using the conveyor system if you've got tight access, if you're digging a basement out and you need to get it out through a structure. Anywhere that is very awkward to get the muck away, including if you can't have skips on the road, that type of thing, you can get your muck away lorry to arrive, it will load it up and it will go away again. I would recommend Coveya. They're very easy to work with, the designs are easy to read, nice and simple, and so far we've had no problems. I definitely recommend Coveya.
Start again, yeah.